Hey guys, welcome to Vantage Saloon Wash and Go Detailing. So, this video is going to be having a quick look at the Autobrite's Airy balls snow foam. The beginning of my footage seems to be missing. I don't know where the hell it's gone. But what I did was I put some citrus pre-wash on the car because I was doing the whole car anyways. But the passenger door I left with no citrus pre-wash on. So we'll see what the full power of the snow foam is. But yeah, for some reason the beginning of my footage has completely vanished and I don't know where it is. So hopefully you'll enjoy the rest of the video. Plus, instead of me writing it on the video footage, the foam doesn't come out extremely foamy or brilliant, but I was using the Karcher snow foam lances and they are rubbish. Since then, I've got the Arva premium snow foam cannon with the 3 bottles. Comes out a lot better. I don't think it helps with the solutions I'm mixing up. I think I'm doing them too watery. Because the instructions are a little vague, to be fair. It says like 150 to 200 milliliters of foam, and then fill up with water. Well, if you're getting a big 2 litre foam cannon or something, it's a lot of water. So I need to play around with the mixtures a wee bit, I think, just to get the right amount in. But out of the premium cannon, it is really nice, actually, to be fair. It is pretty good. But as I say, I think I'm mixing it a bit too watery, so I need to have a play with that. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, guys, and I'll see you later. Right, so here's my Airy balls. Really, really gooey stuff, look. It says on the bottle to stick in 100 to 200 ml in your foam lance and then fill up with water. So I've done 150, and we'll see how that goes. So what I'm going to do also is I'm going to citrus most of the car bar the passenger door here, and then you'll see what sort of reaction it'll get on its own, what cleaning power it has. So let's get to it. Right, let's get going. So this stuff is awfully green. It says 5 to 10 minutes, but the sun's come out, so I might have to put more in next time. That was 150 ml to maybe, I don't know, a litre and a half. Sorry for the dodgy camera work, my friggin' DJI thing ran out of power, so back to handheld. It's not too bad in here, to be honest. Oops, so it just fell out. Still pretty clean from last time. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to hit it again in a minute. That is drying rather quickly. That's after maybe 3-4 minutes. So let's hit it again so I can finish off. I've hit where the citrus was, and then on the driver's door, where with no citrus, just see it's actually done quite a good job on its own. Not a bad job at all, actually. Right, Airy balls, any good? It ain't bad. It's done a decent job. It's definitely more of a helper. You know, it's not got a massive amount of cleaning power itself, but it does help. It has got some of the hard stuff off. Definitely use it in conjunction with the citrus, I would say. But it hasn't done a bad job. You do get a lot of green foam and green water on your drive, but not a bad stuff. I'll show you the actual clean car when I finished. Well, that's not done too bad a job. Right, there we go. Chamoised off. All done. I know there's lots of swirls on it. I need to get that sorted. Engine needs doing first, then paintwork. Oh, it's definitely a refurb, but it's looking good. Rag Company, the big one, chamois, first time I've used it. Brilliant bit of kit. I absolutely loved it. So, yeah, I'll show you from the front too. All looking shiny. So there you go, not bad at all. So thanks for watching guys, and I shall see you in the next one.